It's there.
Oh, there I see it. Okay. Wow. I'm sorry, I'm in your lap.
That's all right, no problem.
What is that?
Ladies and gentlemen, those of you in the back can see a nice picture of the shuttle launch today.
Wow.
We just saw
That
history.
is amazing.
We just saw history.
It's the last time for this shuttle.
Where's he going? I mean, the airplane.
It's giving us a great view now. It disappeared.
Yep.
You can still see small dots.
Godspeed.